The 36 count sticky trap set. There are different shapes, flowers, birds, more flowers, and a butterfly. You can see here, I already have one stuck on the inside of the house because you get these little gnats, and you can hang it with that little hole there, and it has an arrow so it's easier to put into the soil. And I use these inside the house. Up here, no gnats here. But here, the larger soil always has gnats, so they're collecting the gnats for me quite well. Some down here, so I'm just going to take this, the bird, it's sticky on the top, not on the arrow, and you can see where the sticky is. And we're going to just stick it right in here. And then that's where it'll stay, and it'll collect all the gnats in this area.